Your job isn't safe. And it's not because of a bad boss. It's because you are expensive. And AI is getting cheaper every single day. By the end of this video, you'll know if you're on the safe list or the fired list. Let's be honest. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't ask for a raise. It works 24/7. So if your job is repetitive, predictable, and mostly done on a screen, you're in danger. But don't panic yet, because I'll also tell you what to do after these 3 jobs. Job number 1, data entry, the first victim. Let's start with the obvious one, data entry. If your job is basically copy, paste, check, repeat, AI can already do it faster. And not just a little bit faster. I mean, hundreds of times faster. Because AI can read a document, extract the important parts, and put them into a system automatically. No breaks, no mistakes, no boredom. If your job is typing numbers into spreadsheets, moving info from emails to a database, or filling forms all day, I'm sorry, that job is disappearing. How to survive? Stop being the person who types the data and become the person who understands the data. Learn Excel better. Basic data analysis. How to summarize information. How to use AI tools to automate tasks. Because the typers will be replaced, but the problem solvers will stay. Job number 2, basic customer support. Now this second one hurts, because millions of people do it. Basic customer support. Let me be brutally clear. If your job is to say, "Have you tried restarting your device?" you're gone. That job is dead. Because chatbots don't just answer questions anymore. They understand the problem. They look at the data. And they solve it instantly. But listen carefully. Customer support won't disappear completely. It will split into 2 levels. Level 1, easy problems, AI takes it. Level 2, real human problems, humans stay. If your job is to calm down an angry client and save a $10,000 deal, you are gold. AI can read a manual, but it can't replace real empathy. How to survive? Upgrade from support agent to relationship plus problem specialist. Learn communication, conflict solving, sales basics, how businesses actually work. Because in the future, the support job is not answering questions. It's saving customers. Job number 3, basic content writing. Now here's the one most people don't want to hear. Basic content writing. Blog posts, simple scripts, basic ads, generic SEO articles. AI can write those in seconds. And yes, some people will say, "But AI writing is not perfect." True. But companies don't want perfect. They want fast and cheap. So if your writing is generic, predictable, and easy to copy, you will lose clients. But again, writing will not die. It will upgrade. The future is not writing words, but writing ideas that actually hit people. How to survive? Become a writer who can do one of these. Storytelling, strategy, research plus unique insight, scripts that keep attention, content with personality. Because AI can generate text, but it can't replace taste, experience, and a strong point of view. What to do next? So here's the truth. If your job is repetitive, easy, and rules-based, AI will replace it. But if your job includes decision-making, creativity, human trust, leadership, empathy, you're still on the safe list. Your mission is simple. Stop being replaceable. Start building skills that AI can't copy. If you want, I'll make another video. 3 skills that will still pay in 2030. And I'll keep posting shorts about the future of jobs in AI. Subscribe and stay ahead.